Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is the bottom bracket from a mountain bike from around the year 2000. I'm determined not to give up on it for some reason. I don't know why. It's not a bike that I have any particular interest in. So let's get the nuts off each side, get these pedals off. That's that one loose. And on the other side. That's the nuts loose. Take them off. Now the issue I'm having is that I've had this off before and I know it's not good inside, but I put it back together just to keep it safe, even that's loose. Over here, this cup on this side, the non-adjustable one, is really tightly seized, and I've been shown a trick and I wonder if it'll work. So you can follow me through the whole process as I do it if you want, or you can just skip forward to the end. This is a removal tool for the pedals. Bring that right up as far as it will go. Again, these aren't tight, so that's that one off. And on this side, just screw it in. I'd say as far as it'll go, and then back it off a bit because sometimes it gets stuck. Like, you'll always be able to take it out again, but right. So holding the pedal in one hand and screwing that in with the other. That's it. And this will fall off. There's the bracket. You can see, and so this side you might need to use a C-spanner like this to hook the nut off, but in this case it's just coming off. Get a screwdriver and just go dang, tap, 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 tap. Beat it off. Now this side here, this should just come off. It's not too bad. Yeah, it's coming off, but these are quite ground in there. Not quite ground in there, they're quite stiff, is what I mean. I know that the bearings are all loose, but there's a lot of grease on them, so they might just come out. I think there's 18 bearings, 9 on each side, but there was bearing carriers in there and they've fallen asunder, so that doesn't help the bearings that are in there to stay aligned. Okay, so take that out. So all the bearings from one side are still in there, but I can't really show it to you because I've put black grease on it. On both sides the bearings were completely rusted and so pitted. So I'm just pushing those bearings in with my finger. So how many have we got there? 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all of them there on the cloth. Switch it around. On this side here, we've got a bracket, and I'm not sure now, but I think this might have a right hand thread or a left hand thread. So I've got a spanner for it, but I know that beating it with this hasn't done anything and I've wrung it off before, but that was going the wrong way. So I'm going to try going it the other way now. So it's hard to keep this on, but I'm not sure if I'm going the right direction here. The other trick I've been shown is to use a massive bolt, put it through, and just tighten it on. The other option I have is these Allen keyed heads. Okay, so I've got another idea. I've put the Allen bolt back through with nothing on it. I'm going to put 2 nuts on it this time. And some spanners, 24s in this case. So first of all, I need to tighten this up. The Allen key on the back and the massive and this one, second one on. Now it's moving freely there. So it's time for a drop of oil. Okay, we've had a full turn out of it. I really have no idea which way this is going. So I think it's got a left-hand thread. What I'm going to do is go on that basis and try and get it off by forcing it what would appear to be tighter, so to the right. And that oil has had a bit of a chance to penetrate now. It's been about 30 minutes. Oh, that looks to be right now. Yeah. It seems to be moving on there. Dear, oh dear. You really have to heave it out. Oh dear. If you can keep the speed up, there we are. Wow, that's tight. So there's the paint. It's stuck in there. And that's what the tool looks like now. Yikes. It's really something. Try and figure out now how to loosen this off. I'll just do it in the vise, in the big vise. But now I can get a new part and fix that up. That is the hardest bit. Right, thanks for watching. See you later.